guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats. We're here with a brand new 2023 Stryker PRO 500. This is a build we just finished for a customer. This has the new Mercury ELHPT. The H is for the tiller handle, and this is a multi-function tiller handle. This is a really cool new handle that they have. So you got your throttle, you got your power, that shuts your motor off, pushing that. You got your forward and reverse. And then Merc has a cool new feature here that locks the tiller up for transport so it's not hitting things inside of your boat. Another cool feature, so you hit the button down and you can actually adjust exactly the height of the tiller with where you want it. So really cool new feature on this new Merc 30 horsepower. So these new motors have come down a significant amount of weight just for this year. So this 2023 Stryker PRO 500 has a fully welded one-piece aluminum transom. And what we mean by a one-piece is a traditional inflatable boat is going to have a wooden transom with plastic transom holders in here that attach to the tube. So we have a fully welded one-piece holder that's attached to the transom. So this is all one unit rather than three separate moving pieces. And that is one of the biggest features that us here at Stryker offer that's far above and better than anything out there on the market today. Some other cool features of this Stryker PRO 500. It's got the electric start, so we run a battery in here. Now if you look in here, this is something that we just come up here with at Stryker. So this is a built-in bilge pump that we add onto these with just a switch to turn the pump on and off. So the switch is over here, and you just hit that whenever you want to relieve your boat of all of its water. Very, very cool system to have. We just designed that up in the shop, and we put those into a lot of our custom builds here that we do at the shop. This customer also wanted to have a pedestal seat installed. So we do that here. We install the seat for you with the package, of course. So this was a boat motor trailer package. Beautiful setup and lots of room for just about everything in this boat that you could want to do. So these front seats are fully removable to clear up lots of the area inside of the boat. Of course, all of our Strykers come with Scotty products built into them factory. So we have Scotty bases strategically located all throughout the boat. There's bimini mounts for a roof. Now, of course, all of our Pro boats do come standard with the bimini, so this is included with this package as well. There's interior bags, there's D-rings all throughout the boat, interior lifelines as well, which do help if you ever need to get yourself back in the boat. Now this customer wanted a few accessories, so we put in the larger fuel tank with this one. This one I believe is a 12-gallon fuel tank, which is going to give you a significant amount of runtime with a super efficient new Mercury 30 horsepower motors. And then the customer also wanted a lock so that this outboard would be much harder to remove than if that wasn't there. Coming around the boat, of course, in 2022 we moved to our new hull design, and of 2023 we haven't made any changes to the existing hull. We've just made some refinements and some improvements. You now come to the front of the boat. Now all our new 2022 and 2023 factory boats, we've installed all of the bases for our new bow canopy design. The bow canopies are going to be available this year for all of the 2022 plus model boats, and they should be able to be retrofitted onto our previous version, although the fit may not be as well as it's going to be on this one. Now, with all of our Pro boats, you'll notice underneath the tube is our Stryker Shield bottom protection. Now this thick rubber protection runs the entire bottom of the boat up to the rub rail. Everything is protected. So the Stryker Shield encompasses the entire bottom of the boat, giving you the ultimate in protection from abrasion, from rocks, from running it up on the beach, and anything else you may encounter out on the water. So really, really heavy duty, extremely expensive to add this to another boat after the fact. So with our boats, you get it as standard. we were quoted at $5,000 to add this to any other brand of boat from somewhere else aftermarket. So knowing that you get that included with the Pro Series it's such a huge benefit to you, the customer. Now this boat here, it doesn't need to go on a trailer, but the customer wanted a trailer. We have it on a Roadrunner trailer. This is a trailer that we've designed and we sell through through us, who Roadrunner has built with our design. So it has a carpeted bunk for the keel, and then of course moving up to the front has a carpeted bunk for the bow. Very cool design, protects your inflatable. Now we have this loose, but this, if you tighten this down, that sits in there very snug. It won't bounce around when you're out on the road. Now one feature we'd like to share with you with this Pro that the customer wanted is this swim ladder. So we've installed this stainless steel swim ladder. Now what this has a ramp that you can move up and down, and this thing is strong. So we've just installed all of the mounts for it on the boat. This is removable, so if you did want to go out with it off, it's no problem. I'm sure this swim ladder will live here for the boat's life, but it is very easy to remove. You just pull up on the back side and flip it over, and you can actually leave it flipped over if you like, to keep it a little narrower to get in your garage. One thing we did do for 2023, if you look at our valves, like right here, we have included just some info about pressures. So just, it's nothing huge, but it's something cool. It does give you, 3.5 for the tubes, and then 5 PSI for the keel, and then it also has the inflatable floor pressure if you were to use something like that. So all in all, the new 2023 Stryker Pro 500 blacked out edition, Merc 30 horsepower, awesome package. Thanks guys.